In this video I'm going to show you how to install the new spark plugs. It's an easy job and I guide you through it. It's easy as Dell. So first change the outfit and then let's go. Opa. What's this one? Goes in. See? And now I feel it's slipping. So up, get it off. Done. Now I need another one. A not magnetic one, because the spark plug already is in, and when I use this one and I torqued it and I get it out, this happens and that stays in there. For here that's not such a problem, but over there it's a problem. So now I get another one. I am the old mechanic. I'm doing my own motorcycle maintenance since 1975. So that explains my name, the old mechanic. And I like to share my skills with you. And in this video I like to show you, well, let's give it a go. This one has nothing in it, so it's easy. Up. We get our torque wrench. Torque wrench. Get it to 16. Kijk, oh. So that's exactly. Nou Honda, hoe hadden dit ook kunnen verzinnen? That was the click. Okay, see? Comes out. I'm gonna do the next one. Using the magic hose. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah. Yep, there he is. That one. We need. Even kijken. This one. So, now yep, there he goes. Oh, daar was hij. Up. to the go. This one. Slide it in position. And no, it doesn't squeak. Eh? No. Up. That. Then that one. The torque wrench. I torque it to spec. Come. Up. Click, click. Yes. Then one to go. Yeah. Hello, pal. Up and the magic hose. Ta-da! Then we're gonna torque it and then job done. Wow. Bye bye. Come. Yep. Oh. Ah, zo moeilijk was het niet, hè? Wasn't that difficult? Wow! Then always with a 4-cylinder or whatever, the most left cylinder is number 1. Remember. So this is 2. Let's see. Oh wait. I always use a tiny bit of silicone spray. So it goes easy in. Oh, move up. So watch. Up. Hebben ze dit toch kunnen verzinnen? Up. Here. This the same. Bit on here and a bit under his armpits. Hoppa. Then before. No. First go to the other side. On the other side do the same. Up. Which way? Hello. No. Up. Don't forget this one. Click. Yeah, this one. click. This one goes over there and oh, wacht even. So then we have two bolts there and there. This one's already ejector. Okay. Always remember when you used the torque wrench, just screw it all the way out and just a tiny bit back in. It tensions the spring and they say it's good. You know me, huh? Every bolt I ever insert again, mount again, use slightly bit of grease, goes in easier. This one. Good, good. Fast. Yep, this one. One more, let's go to the outside. This one. Yeah. Then two more to go. Deze ook. Los, zwart-wit. Nou. Zo, dat, die. Yes. Oh, yeah. Then. Water hose. It's one with this. Even kijken hier. It has a little, what's it called? This thing, and it goes in that. Always a little bit grease. And no. Zo. Deze nog. Dan van boven. These two. Yeah. But now we have the tank up anyway. We watch the level of the coolant, which is here. Never do this with a hot engine. Oh. Wow, it's on the low side. Always use these kind of bottles. Oh. So. Up. Let's see. Ready, Freddy, Teddy. Steady. So, that was another video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, please put it in the comments below. See you the next time. Old Mechanic out.